guys, we're cooking chicken inasal today. So I'm just going to prepare the marinade for the chicken using lemongrass, vinegar, onion, garlic, lemon, brown pepper, and salt. And for the chicken, I'm going to use chicken leg quarters. Mince the garlic and the onions, and we're going to add it here and put it on a bowl. There we go. For the lemongrass, I just slice it like this. Let's add vinegar. Let's add salt and pepper. And then lastly, we're going to add a little bit of lemon. Let's pour the marinade. Just like that. Let's let it marinate overnight.
Thank you.
Ooh.
It's gonna smell like barbecue out here.